Hi, want to know how to insert dual SIM card on your Xiaomi Redmi 13C? So, as a first step, we would need to take a pin, which comes with this device in its box. Here is it how it looks. And as a next step, of course, we would need to take both of the SIM cards. So, as a first step, we would need to take out the SIM slot, which is located on the left edge of your phone. Here is it how the SIM slot looks. Here you can notice a little hole which we are interested in. So, we would need to take our pin and put it inside this hole. Now, when you can feel that the pin is not going any deeper, we would need to slightly push on it until the SIM slot will get out like this. So you can see it. Now we would need to take it out with the help of our fingers, and now it's out. So here's it how the SIM slot looks. As a next step, here we would need to put both of the SIM cards into this slot. So first SIM card we would need to put at the bottom slot, or basically it really doesn't matter in which slot you'll put which SIM card because they are rated the same. So let's put our second SIM card in, and here is it how is it supposed to look. You should have two SIM cards which perfectly sits in both of these slots. And now we would need to put that slot inside of our phone. Remember that this silvery part should be put inside looking on your phone screen, which means so now I'm holding it like this. You can see the silver details. We would need to put them inside our phone while our phone screen is looking at us. So now we can put this slot fully inside of our phone until it will look like it looked before and nothing is coming out. This is it. We have successfully inserted both of these SIM cards, and that's all. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.